Alright, this time we're going to do a comparison between the Evernew titanium stove and the Trail Designs Caldera cone. This is a titanium cone, so you can burn wood in it as well. It's a fair comparison because you can burn wood in either of these. So we've got the Trail Designs alcohol stove, which is sort of a modified Pepsi can stove. And we've got the Evernew titanium stove. Okay, so in each stove I put 20 milliliters of denatured alcohol. Light them up. And we'll set the cone on top of there. It's 2 cups of 68-degree water in both. And we will start the timer. Not an exact science here, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's a minute and 55, about 2 minutes, and both stoves are going strong. Turn out the light so you can see better. The Evernew puts on a much better show. It's the Caldera. All the heat is locked into that little cone. I'm guessing this is going to make it more efficient, but I'm not sure. So we'll see how long it takes to actually boil the water. Okay, it's a minute 45 seconds. Sorry, 3 minutes 45 seconds, and both of them are starting to simmer the water. Okay, it's 4 minutes 30 seconds, and the Evernew is actually boiling the water. The Caldera cone is close, but it's not quite to a boil yet. Now, I will say this though, the Evernew is out of fuel. It boiled the water in just under 5 minutes, but it then burned itself out. That was with 20 milliliters. Both of them had 20 milliliters of fuel. The Caldera cone is still going with 20 milliliters of fuel, and it's almost reaching a boil now. Quite a fast simmer. Okay, so here we are at 6 minutes, and the Caldera cone is boiling the water away. Actually, over a minute and a half after Evernew already boiled it. But on the other hand, the Caldera cone still has plenty of fuel left. So we will see how long it will boil before it burns out. Okay, here we go. Almost 8.5 minutes later, the Caldera cone is still boiling the water. So clearly the cone is far more efficient than the Evernew stove. The Evernew burns hot and fast, boils the water much faster, but now it just stopped boiling, flames out at 8 minutes 39 seconds. So Caldera cone, much more fuel efficient, takes a little bit longer to boil the water, like a minute and a half longer actually, but then it continues to boil it for 2 or 3 minutes. This guy boils it fast and furious, then burns out. So for fuel efficiency, Caldera cone definitely better. For speed, Evernew.